If you or anyone you know owns a rental property, give me a minute of your time. This information is very important. Hi, I'm Will King with Gold Mortgage. If you own a rental property and you have a loan on it that used the rental income on the property to qualify, give me 60 seconds. Because I need to tell you about something most owners never find until it is too late. There may be a ticking time bomb hiding inside your loan right now. And the scary part is, you probably cannot spot it on your own. Here's what I mean. A lot of this type of loan hides one nasty rule. Pay late just one time, and sometimes only 1 day late, and your rate can jump way up. I am talking 18%, even as high as 24%. And once it jumps, it can stay there. Now, here's why you cannot catch it yourself. It is not in the main note you signed. It sits on a separate addendum or rider to the note, and it is very hard to find unless you know exactly where to look and how to decipher the tricky wording. Let me show you a real example. This came from a borrower who was friends with their loan officer, and that loan officer told them their loan did not have any such clause. And in their defense, a lot of loan officers who market this product do not realize how bad it is. But when I got a copy of all their closing documents, there it was, the rider to the note. This one clearly shows that if you are even 1 day late, your rate goes up to 18% or higher. Look at it. This is a copy of exactly what I found, and it is terrible. Lucky for this borrower, we have a special going on right now where we waive our processing fee and refinance this type of loan into a similar one. Only ours is a 30-year fixed rate, fixed for the life of the loan, and it can never go up for any reason. And the good news is we do not require any income documents either. We use the rental income on the property for qualification on the property. I am on a mission to find and educate every person who has this ticking time bomb hidden in their mortgage. According to ChatGPT, 85 to 90% of all investment property loans that use rental income to qualify have this hidden time bomb written into the note. It only takes me about 3 to 5 minutes to review all your closing documents and tell you whether you have it. I do this securely and privately with you on Zoom. If you have it, I will show you right where it is. If you do not, we both celebrate. And if you do have it, I will help you refinance out of that terrible loan and into one where the rate can never go up on you no matter what. In the meantime, we might even be able to lower your rate or help you pull some cash out. That part is up to you. So that is where I come in. I will read your actual paperwork and tell you in plain English whether you have this. You will walk away knowing exactly where you stand. I do every one of these checks myself, so I can only take a handful of appointments each week. Click the button below to schedule a free checkup with me, or if you know you want to apply for this loan, you can click on the Apply Now link. Let's make sure your loan is not a time bomb. Click below to schedule an appointment with me this week. And even though I got camera shy and had my avatar make this video, you will get the real me when we meet. My email and website are on this last slide. Use this if something happens and you cannot find the link I placed on my Facebook page. Please share this with everyone you know who owns rental property. You are doing them a huge favor. Thank you for your time.